Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about relative pronoun. What is a relative pronoun? A relative pronoun is a word that is used to connect an independent clause to a relative clause. A relative pronoun is a word such as who, that, or which that is used to introduce a relative clause. Relative pronouns are meant to provide more information about the subject, that is noun or pronoun, it relates to. A relative pronoun is a pronoun such as who, that, or which that introduces a relative clause in a sentence. Relative pronouns are used to form complex sentences. Examples of relative pronouns include who, whom, whose, which, and that. Who refers to a person, the noun, pronoun, or subject which does the action. Whom refers to the object, the noun or the pronoun that receives the action. Whose is used to show possession of something or someone. That is used in a defining clause that refers to a person, animal, or thing. Which is used in a non-defining clause that refers to a person, animal, or thing. Let's see some examples with who as relative pronoun. The musician who wrote this song is Canadian. Byron, who once told me I look like a giraffe, works at the zoo. Marie Curie is a woman who discovered radium. Lord Thompson, who is 76, has just retired. Examples with that as relative pronoun. I like dresses that have pockets. The test that I failed brought my grade down to C. The car that was stolen last month was found in a river. Is that the dog that barked at you? Examples with whom as relative pronoun. Susan is a girl whom I was talking about. The president whom I did not vote for raised taxes yet again. The witnesses whom I interviewed gave conflicting evidence. The cousin whom we met at the family reunion is coming to visit. Example with whose as relative pronoun. The boy whose sister is a renowned orator is an orator himself. My cat whose bed I am not allowed to touch terrifies everyone in our family. A dog whose owner lets it run loose may cause an accident. He is marrying a girl whose family don't seem to like him. Examples with which as relative pronoun. The painting which Hanan orders is worth over $1 million. The robots which were made in Japan work well. My marshmallows, which I was planning to eat, are now gone. There are some very good art books which you can get ideas from. Compound relative pronouns. There is another category of relative pronouns called compound relative pronouns, formed by addition of ever or soever, whatever, whatsoever, whoever, whosoever, and whichever are some of the compound relative pronouns. Looking at the following examples, you can understand how they are used in sentences. For example, whoever is ready can speak first. You can take whichever sweet you like. Whatever he takes up, he finishes it in time. Whatsoever you do to others, it will be done to you. Whosoever runs the fastest will win the race. Use suitable relative pronouns to link the following sentences. Number 1. The students solved the math problem. The teacher appreciated the students. Now here we will join the sentences by using relative pronoun who. The teacher appreciated the student who solved the math problem. My aunt bought me a dress. I love the dress. Here we are going to join these two sentences with the relative pronoun that. I love the dress that my aunt brought for me. We had our college reunion dinner in the seafood restaurant. The restaurant is now closed. We had our college reunion dinner in the seafood restaurant, which is now closed. I hope friends you all have understood this lesson. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to press the subscribe button to get the update of my coming videos. Thank you.